Hi, you're welcome to today's video. So, in today's edition, I would like to share with you why you should take your social media presence serious this year. So, I don't know what your goal is for your social media presence, whether it's to build a personal brand or you want to build a business brand. So, I would like to understand why you are there or what is your goal, your money making goal for this year. See, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying be on all social media because it's overwhelming. Because personally, myself, I'm trying to see I can juggle between LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. And I should not lie, it's not working. It's not working. Okay, because each time I go on LinkedIn, this is me being sincere. I look at the LinkedIn space, I'm unable to see. I just don't understand that space. I just know I have some of my details on LinkedIn. I don't understand that space. And when I come to Instagram, I look at Instagram. Instagram just look like a showcase. Probably is my own point of view. I don't know. Please let me know your own point of view in the description box. Instagram just looks like a place where people just come and show off, sort of. But I'm just trying to see how I can blend both. But what I'm trying to back to the main aim for this video is for you to take your social media presence serious. If you are building a personal brand or a business brand, I would like you to do one thing. Be on one social media where your presence is felt. If you can't be on several, because I know some people that are on X, like not on X, because I'm also on X, but they are active both on X, active on LinkedIn, active on YouTube, active on Facebook. I'll say, look at the social media platform where you feel you want to showcase yourself to the world. I don't know what you are doing, whether you are a blogger or you're a graphic designer or you are a fashion designer or any online space that you any online thing or any online space. God, anything you are currently doing right now, there's a social media platform you feel is comfortable for you. Then probably over time you can um, move into entering two or three different social media platforms. But for now, I want you to set up a goal for yourself, because before people come on to get to do business with you, even if you are working 9 to 5 or you are a freelancer or any form. One thing people do nowadays is that the moment you say, my name is Chioma Evo, what people do next is they go on Google to check who you are. I'm surprised. Even some interviews that I did, I think a few months back, I submitted my CV and wrote some things down. The next thing was that they checked my portfolio online. They just checked for my name and saw what Google has to say about me. And that's why we always tell people, don't let social media be a place where you come and cry out your negative thoughts, because your next client or your next business partner can be from that space where you just put out some negative thought or negative comment. So try to ensure that you are on a social media. If you feel Facebook works for you and you understand how Facebook works, understanding means that you'll be consistent. Like for LinkedIn, at least you should be able to post 3 times on LinkedIn if you want to build this personal or brand awareness so that people can know that, oh, this person is in this space. So if you understand how any of this platform works and you are really good at it, that I will be able to understand how the SEO works, I'll be able to title my videos or my content or my write-up in a way that it catches the attention of people on this social media. Please be there, because social media now is a place where people go to see without even talking to you. And from social media, some people have gotten married on social media, they found their husband. Some people have gotten mega businesses from social media by just maybe putting out their blogs, putting out their businesses, what they do. So sell yourself on social media. So The reason why I'm making this video is that don't wait. Additionally, don't copy people. You see, oh, my friend is making it on Instagram, or my friend is on Facebook and she's doing it. No, do what works for you, because one thing about the social media space is that now what people are looking for is authenticity. People want to see the realness. See, this world is a lot chaotic for somebody to come and watch a fake person talk online, or a fake person write online, saying things that are not real, saying things that are not relatable. So ensure you are in a social media space you understand, you can find relatable, you can be able to pitch, and you can be able to be consistent on. I would say that before you broaden your horizon into different social media spaces, I would say, first of all, build one. By the time you see, okay, I've gotten a good trust, you can go into another one. Because it doesn't make sense when you say you're on um X, you're on Facebook, you're on maybe Pinterest, and nobody knows you there. Doesn't make sense. So stick to one based on your business. What business are you currently into? Probably you're a fashion designer or you are an event planner. Instagram is is the hot cake for you. You are a writer or anything, maybe Facebook, LinkedIn, but you are a videopreneur, or you're a content person that what you do has to do with videos, talking to people. Most likely YouTube. But additionally, why I want to balance things up. Why you are trying to still focus on one social media, build one social media platform, I would say don't linger too long there. Because God forbid, what if something happens and YouTube disappears tomorrow? What happens? So while you are still trying to build one, don't stay there too long. Then add up another, at least two. Then maybe when you're growing, your business is bigger, your brand is bigger, you can get people, virtual assistants, other people that can manage your other social media like TikTok and the likes. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please do well to, if you don't even know where to start from in this making money online platform, I have a course down there that you can click to be their virtual assistant courses that has everything you need. You know, virtual assistance is a big umbrella that encompasses a lot of things: graphic designing, social media management, calendar management, email marketing, a lot of things. So do well to use the link in the description box. And if you like to learn French, please do well to also use the link in the description box. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.